Embark on a thrilling adventure where every step leaves a mark. Tracks in the Mud takes you deep into the heart of lush forests and exciting zoo habitats, where curious creatures roam and playful paws leave behind muddy clues. From the rustling leaves of the wild to the carefully designed enclosures of the zoo, discover how animals big and small interact with their environments. Will you follow the footprints of a mischievous raccoon, the heavy tread of a wandering bear, or the delicate imprints of a hopping kangaroo? Hippos spend most of their time in water, such as rivers, lakes, and swamps. They can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes and even sleep underwater, surfacing to breathe without waking up. Hippos are considered one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. Pangolins do not have teeth. Instead, they use their strong stomach muscles and small stones, gastroliths, they swallow to grind up their food. Pangolins are covered in tough, overlapping scales made of keratin, the same material as human hair and nails. Moose are found in the northern regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in boreal and mixed deciduous forests, often near lakes, rivers, or wetlands. Moose are preyed upon by wolves, bears, and occasionally cougars. Their browsing habits can shape the structure of forests and wetlands. Flamingos inhabit parts of Africa, Asia, Europe, the Americas, and the Caribbean. They thrive in warm, watery environments like lagoons, estuaries, and salt flats. Flamingos create cone-shaped nests out of mud, stones, and feathers. Flamingos are often seen standing on one leg. Foxes are found on every continent except Antarctica. They have adapted to a wide range of habitats, including forests, deserts, mountains, and urban areas. Foxes are omnivores, meaning they eat both plant and animal matter. Their diet includes small mammals, birds, insects, fruits, and vegetables. Geese are known for flying in a distinctive V formation during migration. This formation reduces wind resistance and conserves energy, allowing them to fly longer distances. Geese are highly social animals and form strong family bonds. They often mate for life and are very protective of their partners and offspring. Rabbits are highly social creatures and thrive in groups. In the wild, they live in colonies called warrens. Rabbits are herbivores and primarily eat grass, hay, leafy greens, and vegetables. Their diet is high in fiber, which is essential for their digestive health, and thumping their hind legs to warn others of danger. Tigers are the largest of all big cat species, with males weighing up to 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, and measuring up to 10 feet, 3 meters in length, including the tail. Tigers are classified as endangered, with fewer than 4,000 individuals left in the wild. Habitat loss. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth, with males reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters, and females up to 14 feet, 4.3 meters tall. Giraffes are herbivores and primarily feed on leaves, flowers, and from tall trees, especially acacia trees. They can eat up to 75 pounds, 34 kilograms of foliage daily. Chickens were domesticated from the wild red junglefowl in Southeast Asia over 8,000 years ago. They are one of the most common and widespread domestic animals. Chickens have over 30 distinct vocalizations used for communication, including alarm calls, food calls, and mating calls. Mountain goats are incredible climbers, scaling near vertical cliffs with ease, thanks to their specialized hooves with rough pads for grip. Mountain goats crave minerals and will travel far to find salt deposits, even licking rocks to get essential nutrients. Mountain goats eat grasses, mosses, shrubs, and lichens. Pandas are bears, scientifically known as Ailuropoda melanoleuca. They are native to China and are considered a national treasure. Pandas have a unique thumb called a pseudo-thumb, which is an enlarged wrist bone that helps them grip bamboo. Pandas are generally solitary creatures. They communicate through vocalizations and scent markings. Leopards, Panthera pardus, are part of the big cat family and have several subspecies, including the African leopard, Indian leopard, Amber leopard, and Arabian leopard. Each subspecies is adapted to its specific habitat. Leopards are highly adaptable and can be found in a variety of environments, including savannas, forests, mountains, and deserts. Reindeer are found in the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. They thrive in tundra, boreal forests, and mountainous habitats. Reindeer are known for their long migrations, some traveling over 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers annually, the longest migration of any land mammal. Camels can survive without water for up to 10 days in extreme heat. When they do drink, they can consume up to 40 gallons, 150 liters of water in one go. Camels can withstand body temperatures ranging from 93 degrees Fahrenheit to 105 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius, without sweating. Bulls are male cattle, Bos taurus, and are part of the Bovidae family, which includes cows, buffalo, and bison. Bulls are larger and more muscular than cows, with some breeds weighing up to 2,400 pounds, 1,100 kilograms. Bulls are symbols of strength, fertility, and power in many cultures. Zebras are found in a variety of habitats across Africa. Plains zebras inhabit grasslands and savannas. Mountain zebras live in mountainous and hilly regions. And Grevy's zebras prefer arid and semi-arid grasslands. Zebras are social animals that live in groups. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. They were primarily used for transportation and carrying heavy loads. Donkeys have been domesticated for over 5,000 years and were originally found in North Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. Ducks have a special gland near their tails called the preen gland, which produces oil. They spread this oil over their feathers to make them waterproof, allowing them to float and stay dry. Ducks are omnivores and eat a variety of foods, including plants, insects, small fish, and algae. Their diet depends on their habitat and species. Ducks are highly social animals and often live in groups called flocks. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, with up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This makes them excellent at tracking scents. Dogs are highly intelligent and can learn commands, solve problems, and even understand human emotions. Some breeds, like border collies and poodles, are particularly known for their intelligence. Dogs were the first domesticated animals, with evidence suggesting they were domesticated from wolves over 15,000 years ago, possibly even earlier. Dogs have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, with up to 300 million olfactory receptors in their noses, compared to about 6 million in humans. This makes them excellent at tracking scents. Dogs are highly intelligent and can learn commands, solve problems, and even understand human emotions. Some breeds, like border collies and poodles, are particularly known for their intelligence. The mud holds the secrets. Let's uncover them together. Get ready to meet an incredible cast of wild friends, from slippery otters splashing in the water to towering giraffes munching on treetops. Learn how zoo animals enjoy specially designed enrichment activities that mimic their natural behaviors, like elephants painting with mud or monkeys solving puzzles for treats.